4:35. I'm leaving the day job. I took the van to work today because it's raining. Usually I'll be on my motorcycle and go home and get the van. And I got a unit. I got a couple calls tonight. I got a unit that's, he said it's a 3-door reach-in that's tripping a breaker. Let's get out there and look at that one first, and I'll bring you guys along for the other ones. I think one might be, I don't know if it's a condensate leak at another restaurant and a unit that ices up periodically, but we'll see. Well, let's get out there. It's a big 3-door. Let's see what I'm curious what the charge is. The charge amount on this is 2 1/4 ounces of R290. Wait, that's not right. 5 1/4 ounces. 5 1/4 ounces R290 for a big 3-door. That is absolutely amazing. So let's take a look. These are screws inside the doors. Little Phillips. The complaint on this one, it's tripping the breakers. I'm gonna put the screws right here. Right here. Here's the control package. I don't see anything burned up. That's what I was looking for. Okay, thermostat time delay. Lights are on. Wait for the condensing unit to kick on. Pretty sure we got indoor fan. Not yet. So, not yet. After a bunch of testing, the cap's good. I did get the unit to run on my start cord. I'm pretty sure this relay's bad, the little current relay. It says 5 ohms. I'm getting like 2.5. This one's a 5 ohmer. And it's got a little printed circuit board in here on the inside of it. So I'm gonna see if I get one of these and if it brings it back around. All right, my handy trusty start cord. I gashed myself. It came in handy again. I was able to get that compressor started, and then check the amp on the compressor. It was like 6 amps, so it was good. And come to the conclusion that little current relay on that unit is failed. So I'm going to order up a new one tomorrow. I got to call True. I think that thing's new. It might be under warranty. We're going to check. Stay tuned.